What's going on, guys? We are talking about the car screen mirroring adapter for your iPhone. Now, let me tell you, this thing, I know I've said it before, but this thing right here is pretty damn awesome. So you can wire this straight to your phone like you would do with a normal charger. But here's the difference. Instead of just using your apps for your music and your GPS, you can mirror your whole screen on this. Now you can see your text messages, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all that. This is gonna work with your iOS 10 Plus and your iPhone 6 above. Now you can get the vertical screen and you can get the full screen. So you get the full screen when you're using your GPS or YouTube, Netflix, stuff like that, those kind of video apps and big screen apps. But most of your apps will be vertical, but all for the most part will be compatible. Now this is great because you get your music, maps, movies, photos, text messages. This thing is great. It also comes with a USB-C port adapter, so if you need to plug in your Samsung, you might be able to do this as well too. But this is compatible with most cars, pretty much 99% on the market, and it is plug and play. There's no extra software to install, nothing crazy like that. You plug this right into your phone and you're immediately mirroring everything. I gotta tell you, this is my favorite thing right now. This is great if you have somebody sitting in the car who wants to watch a movie, play some videos, all that. That is very cool, and this is an easy option for you guys to do this. I gotta tell you, this thing right here is pretty damn awesome. You guys know what to do.